Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M53, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this Samsung. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and select privacy over here. Then go into permission manager and pick one of your device's features. I will go with camera. Now select one of your apps by tapping on the chosen one, like Chrome. Then select one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while using the app, so when I go back and swipe up, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it, but you can always select one of your apps and select See All Dual Permissions instead, then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!